Hello everyone, welcome to the Java full course. So today is our second video. In that we learn uh, data type. What is the data type in Java? So firstly, what is data type? Data type specifies the different sizes and the values can be stored in variable. Actually, in data types there are two types are formed. First one is a primitive and the second is a non-primitive. Primitive is also called as primary data type, which is already inbuilt in Java. So in primitive there are two types are formed. The first one is numeric and the second one is non-numeric. So non-numeric is side one. The first we discuss about numeric. So the numeric is in that numeric also two types are formed. That is one is the integer, and second one is the decimal. So in that integer there are four types are formed. That is byte, short, integer, long. So in that integer we store only whole values. That means 1, 2, 3, 100, 1000 like that. So in that four types there are the four different default values and default sizes. So firstly discuss about the default sizes. So the first one is byte. Byte default size is 1 byte. Second one is short default size is 2 byte. Integer default size is 4 byte, and the last one is long. The default size long is 8 byte. So this is all about sizes that matters in a program. So basically the programmer which is used only that means the programmer normal programmer which is uses integer, that is to basically all the values are stored in that. So the next in that the default values. So the default values of byte is a 0, short also 0, integer also 0, and the long is 0l. So this is about all integer. So second type is our decimal type. So in that decimal two types are formed. So first one is a float and the second one is double. So what is the difference between float and double? So float in that float are less size than double. To store the more values in double, and in that float is less than a double. So actually in that in float basically after a point four values are stored, but in double we store a number of values after a point. So the float is store is a 4 byte, default size is 4 byte, and double default size is 8 byte. So which is also used in our in Java. So the next one is our numeric and non-numeric. The numeric is the explain, and the non-numeric. Also, what is non-numeric? So in that non-numeric, two types are formed. First one is a char, and second one is a boolean. Actually, in char, which is store is a upon which is store that only a character, that likes alphabets ABCD, small ABCD or capital ABCD, and in the boolean only the store is a true and false are stored. So the what is the default size? The character default size is 2 byte, and boolean default size is 1 bit. Okay, so this is all about our primitive data type which is used in Java. So second one in that is a non-primitive. In that actually four types are formed. First one is class, second is arrays, string, and last one is etc. Okay, last one is interface. Okay, so which is actually in classes. So actually the class is a collection of methods and variables. Okay, so and this is a interface, a string, an arrays, which is learn in future, and that type after that we'll make a video on that type. So this is all about data types in Java, which is used in our program, in Java program. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, thank you.